Hi everyone, welcome to PR Technologies. In today's topic, we are going to learn how to select all the records from a particular table. Okay, here Adventurous Work 2019 is the database name. Under this database name, we are having multiple tables. I have taken the person.password here, person.password table to get all the records. So for that, we need to write the query, right? Yes. So the query is select star from person.password. At the end of the select statement, we have to mention the semicolon, right? Okay. Person is nothing but the schema name and password is nothing but the table name. Select the query and execute. Yes, we got all the records from the table. If we want only the required columns, we want only the required columns from the table person.password. So we need to write the query as select business entity ID and password hash. These two are the column names. Okay, these two are the column names from person.password. Select the query and execute. Yes, we got the required columns. Now I want to tell you two main points from these. SQL statements are not case sensitive, and one more thing is that while selecting the required columns, the order of the columns are important, and the order of the execution, it will start from the table person.password. From this table it will select business entity ID, then after password hash. So we got the business entity ID, password hash. So the order of the execution is from to select. This is all about the select. Okay, thank you, bye bye.